Bank of Canada rates down 25 basis points, ninth cut since May 2024. Rate trims buying time, yet falling home prices and high debt still loom large. Unemployment climbs, GDP growth slows. Canada faces tough economic transition and rising risks. Household debt is sky high, leaving little room for borrowing to boost the economy. Housing bubbles burst quietly while policy rate cuts can't fix domestic financial instability.